in this section of the site, we're going to discuss same-sex marriage. That is lesbian marriage, gay marriage, and transsexual marriages. Until very recent, these marriages were not accepted by the U.S. Immigration and Naturalization Service. So if an American citizen marries a person of the same sex, until very recent, that person would be married in the state they got married, but would not be able to apply to the immigration services for the green card for the spouse. Now, there was a law recently called DOMA, Defense of Marriage Act, and this law said that the only marriage is between a man and a woman. But this law was knocked down, and now any marriage will do as long as it's authorized by the state. Now, not all the states will marry people of the same sex. I think at this point there's 13 or 14 states that do that. But if you live in a state where they don't have same-sex marriage laws, then what you have to do is you go to another state where it's approved, get married in that state, and then go back to your state and file with the immigration services in your state. Because the immigration service will take a marriage created in any other state, because according to the Constitution, each state has to give full faith and credit to the laws of the other state, and under the immigration naturalization law, they accept the laws of all the states. And if it's approved in one state, they can certainly go to immigration in any state and file their paperwork. Now, if we're talking about marriage, same-sex marriage, there's not much of a difference than heterosexual marriage. I mean, all they want to do is to establish that this marriage is real, that the people are really in love, and they're married for the duration, that it's not done just for, obviously, to get a green card for a friendly kind of business. No, they want to make sure that it's a real bona fide marriage, that people are living together and loving each other. And that's what has to be. Now, there were other types of cases with bisexuals and all that that does not affect this case. In other words, if a child is gay, he could, and he's a citizen, he can file for his parent. But the fact that he's gay means nothing. So basically, the fact that a person is bisexual, or a person is homosexual or transsexual, or then that only affects cases between marriage. So if you're if you're planning on a marriage, you must do it the same way that a heterosexual person does. The immigration likes to see a nice wedding, pictures of the groom and the groom, and they also like to see the family members and friends and all that, so we can show what's going on. When you go to the interview, they like to see documents showing you living together, gas receipts, telephone bills, cell phone bills, driver's license with the same address, bank accounts, and all the indicia of a normal marriage. And that's what you have to do. Since the DOMA was knocked down, our office has so far done about half a dozen same-sex marriages. All of them went very smoothly, no problem at all, just like any other marriage. So if you find yourself in a situation that you want to file for your immigration for your spouse, and you want a law firm that has experience in this area, don't hesitate to call me. I'm right here to help you.